from the Portmore police station.
Yeah.
What? Don't do that, young man.
No, what are you saying?
No, me attempt to go. Police.
No man, you can video. Video it. What you are saying? Video it, Jay.
Right, the reason why the police is on the premises.
Yeah.
And the members of the jury.
Video everything.
The member would have seen some suspicious movement. Seeing this young man moving to the side of the house.
Yeah.
Hence,
This is my son.
yes.
17-year-old.
This is the reason for being on
My
the
premises.
Yes.
No suspicious. What was your suspicion? What exactly?
The soldier
Uh-huh.
would have seen this young man,
Uh-huh.
stepped out and moved back in.
See there? Wrong person. Anyway.
Hence, sergeant.
Anyway, may I ask you to leave my premises?
We have no problem.
Okay. I'm want to do it now. My children them. Police for 20 odd years. You understand? Senior you.
Yes.
You understand? I don't have no right to my premises. What kind of suspicious move he man move and go there, son? No man.
Yeah, but Sergeant, we don't know who
Anyway, we don't know who me is now. So you can step out and go on the merry way.
But for your police.
Because my premises unlawful.
What may I say? For your police.
Alright, constable. What your name, constable what?
Constable died.
Sorry, excuse me. Oh no, put you again.
Come on, Frank.
Yeah, man, come on, come on. I'm his children, them, they are in class.
Come for your police.
Thank you. Have a good day. And next time you come here now, alright, don't walk in from my premises. No, What kind of suspicious